Hello my friends, welcome to Training KS. Today is 11th of April 2023. So I would like to take a look at Sunsuria today because this company was recently very hot okay, due to this news okay, Sunsuria explored EV venture with China I-80 automobile so China actually wanted this that day, right? Our Prime Minister Datuk Sri Anwar Ibrahim went to China and secured 170 billion foreign direct investment, right? So one of it is this one, I-80 China, largest independent car design company. Okay, the two parties have formed a joint venture company Sunsuria I-80 Malaysia Sdn Bhd, which 51% owned by Sunsuria, and while the I-80 holds a remaining 49%. So they want to, okay, under the MOU, both parties have agreed to undertake research and development in the area of EV and related product and to create Malaysia own EV brand. Okay, so we will have our own EV brand using this Chinese technology. Okay, joint venture Okay, so after that the stock actually lift off Okay, the stock flew okay, rocket up Okay, let's take a quick look at the disclaimer first before we start got disclaimer first. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, Sunsuria basically is a developer. Okay, they got quite a few projects completed. Their completed project got Monet Garden, Ginverny Walk, Monet Lily, the Olive Bell Suit, Monet Springtime, Monet Garden, Ginverny Walk, right? So all these are okay. The completed project, ongoing project. We got Sunsuria Forum, Tangerine Suit, Bangsa Hill Park, Seni Resident, Sunsuria Forum. So quite a few So quite a few projects Okay. So this developer looks like quite big okay, since they got so many projects. And let's take a look at this senior management. Okay, senior management. Let's take a quick look at board of directors first. Okay, Tan Sri Dato Ter Leong Yap executive chairman. Okay, so we got Datin Leo Biha, independent non-executive director. Tan Pek Kiok, senior independent non-executive. Datuk Kwek Ngee Ming, independent non-executive. Okay, so we got a few VIP there. Look at the board of director. Okay, so Tan Sri Ter Leong Yap is the executive chairman. Okay. Okay, look at it. Sorry, senior management. Look at the senior management. Okay, so Tan Sri Datuk Ter Leong Yap is the executive chairman. Datuk Simon Kwan is a CEO. Eng Kim Hao is a CFO. Wong Chiu Ming is a senior, is a chief project officer. Audrey Oi Kim Cheng, CEO for healthcare. Tan Ling Ling is head of education. Chua Chiu Hai is chief CEO for construction. Okay, so they also got other business like healthcare, education, landscape, construction, not only property So they got healthcare. Okay, they got education. Okay, college okay, international school, landscape, and of course construction also okay, construction also Okay, so they are joint venture with this one CITIC construction Okay, so let's take a look at their business the summary. So what is the business all about?
Sunsuria is an award-winning public-listed property developer that has also diversified into construction, landscaping, and other complementary businesses or joint ventures. Since 1989, Sunsuria has developed various projects from light industrial factories to commercial units and residences. Sunsuria has embarked on a long-term plan to build fresh communities on a 525-acre township located at Salak Tinggi, Putrajaya South with the name Sunsuria City. This integrated township includes the first overseas campus of Chinese University, Xiamen University Malaysia, and international premium shopping outlet on board. Today, Sunsuria has grown into a multifaceted and well-established property developer, delivering innovative, high-quality properties in Malaysia.
Okay, so this is the background, a bit about this company. Of course, now we want to check a bit on the fundamental. Fundamental. Let's check out return on equity, ROE 1.06 is okay. Or PE is 54. Now Goring already is quite high, so it's not a good price to buy now. Okay, earning per share is 1.24. Okay, NTA is 1.17. Okay, so 1.17 and okay, price to book value is 0.58. Okay, still not too high. Okay, according to NTA and net tangible asset. Okay, NTA and price to book value. Okay, look at market cap, 609 million. Okay, not bad. This company is quite big. Let's see, total cash 373 million, total debt 573 million. Oh, debt to cash is a bit high. Okay, 1.5. Okay, so this company got a bit of debt. Debt to equity is 0.54. Okay, still okay lah. Okay, still okay, but this company got some debt lah. This company got some debt. Do take note. Okay, so look at this. Look at their P&L. So from 2016, 2017, 2018, so they are 4 years in a row. This revenue actually grown 207 million to 398 million, 491 million to 534 million. Then after that, 2020 drop again. Okay, to 197. Then 2021 to 328, and 2022 quite good. Goes back to 402 million. Okay, so 2020, 2023, let's see how many quarter. Okay, only the first quarter came in. So it registered 78 million revenue and 1.06 million net profit. Okay, so a little bit drop. Okay, compared to last year. Okay, but okay, it's not too bad. 78. Let's see, quarter 78. Okay. So look at the profit. Look at the annual. So the company, okay, consistent making profit. Okay, consistent making profit, but depends on how many. Okay, the revenue means how many projects they have lah. Okay, the more project they roll out, so the more the profit. Okay, so let's look at dividend. Okay, only 2021 got dividend 1 year. Look at the. Okay, so this quarter is for this 2023. First quarter is okay lah, not bad, not too good, also not too bad also lah. But the profit is a bit down lah. Okay, if you can pick up a bit second quarter, third quarter, then this one, okay, can have a chance, okay, to be good lah. Because now we are comparing this to the last year, which is 2022, which is a year that made quite a good progress, 402 million. Okay, so we are comparing to that. It's a bit low, but if you compare to, let's say, a year that is not so high, let's say we compare to a year that is not so high, let's say 2020. Okay, let's see, we get 2020. Okay, Okay, 202, the revenue is quite good. No, I mean, the net profit is quite good. Okay, revenue also, oh, sorry, 202 is here. Okay, revenue is not so good, but the profit is good. Okay, 9 million, 2 million. But this one, first quarter, right, they registered 78 million, but profit a bit low, 1.6 million. Okay, hopefully they can pick up in the next few quarter. Okay, so if you look at this only, right, okay, it's not the ingredient to goreng, it's not the ingredient to goreng now. So now they are now basically the stock went up due to this one, the EV. So everyone announced that they want to do EV, the stock will go up, you know, whether they are related to EV, connected to EV, they are doing the part for EV, battery for EV, whichever. Okay. So fundamentally, this company is nothing wrong. Okay, they depend on project. When they get more project out, okay, so they their revenue goes up, and less project, their revenues goes down. Okay, but they are consistently, this company is making profit so it's not a losing company. Okay, it's not a company that make losses Okay, so important. Okay, let's look at the chart. Okay, so now the price is not too high. Okay, according to here. Okay. According to fundamental, the price is not too high. Okay, price to book value is 0.558 only. Okay, NTA is only 1.17. Okay, 1.17. It's still okay. Okay, so what I would look for this one. Okay, so price is at the low point. Okay, price is at the low point. 0.265 is a low point. 0.27. So price is very near to 0.27. Okay, so price is very near to a low point. Okay, very near to a low point. And a potential. Okay, you see history, right? Okay, when they get good project, good momentum. Okay, it can go up a lot from this area. Let's say last time from this bottom, right? Okay, it got recovered from a low, right? Okay, rebound from a low. Let's say September 13. Okay, so it went up to a top 400%. Okay, for 400% until 1.51. Okay, so if they got good news, they got good project coming out, all these so there is potential that they do it again. Okay, because they haven't done it 1 time, 2 time, probably. Okay, still got chance 3rd time. Maybe the EV will help them to going up to here also. So there is room. But for me, right, I would look for a drop first. Now went up quite a bit high, quite high already. So I will not chase this one. I will not chase into this one. Okay, potentially. Okay, if it straight away goes up, so there's no choice. I will not chase. Okay, but if the company if this one consolidation, right? So you see now it's making consolidation. Okay, price is not going up, price is not going down. It just goes sideways. If it come down to here 0.42. Okay, if it goes down. Okay, come back here. So potential, I might consider to buy at the low Okay, 40 cent area Okay, because the support is around here. Okay, means it finished scoring Okay, now it's scoring so we want to wait for it to finish scoring. Okay, come back to the fundamental support means the support area which is around this area. Let me see the support area. Okay, potential support area is here. Okay, 0.42. Okay, 0.42 and okay, 0.5. Okay, potential rebound from here. You might want to collect some. If it drop even lower, okay, I maybe want to add some more. Okay, for longer term, this one got potential. Even without this EV, right? It still have potential to rebound because the company, we see that they still got project okay, they still got project, okay, ongoing project here okay. So they still got quite a few ongoing projects. Okay, so potential still got chance to rebound even without the EV So with the EV, I think the chances are higher. But for me, okay, probably I want to wait for the price to do this, the price to, after finish scoring this way, we will come back to lower here or lower here. Okay, 40 cent, 40 over cent to 50 cent. Potential here, I will only pick lah. I will only go in. If high here at 67 cent, I'm not too keen lah. Okay, just let you know lah. I want it to come back to all these support areas, 0.5, another 0.41, 0.51, 0.41, this area potential. If I want to collect, I will collect here. Okay, so that's it about Sunsuria. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye bye. Later, talk to you again later. Bye bye.